Welcome to BusinessLine. This is your BL News briefing. India joins forces with 130 countries regarding a deal that forces major multinational corporations to pay a global minimum corporate tax rate of at least 15%. The deal was forged by the G7 at Cornwall in June 2021. The Border Security Force opens fire on a suspected Pakistani surveillance drone after it tried to venture into the Indian territory on the international border. The drone was spotted by the alert BSF personnel in the Arnia sector on Jammu's outskirts. Vodafone Idea asked the Department of Telecom for more time to pay spectrum dues. The company has dues of about 22,500 crore rupees payable between December 2021 and April 2022. This includes the Supreme Court's mandated AGR and annual spectrum payments of 15,900 crore rupees. Gartner Incorporated says the worldwide infrastructure as a service market has reached $64.3 billion. The top IaaS providers accounted for 80% of the market in 2020. Amazon retains the top position in the IaaS market in 2020, followed by Microsoft, Alibaba, Google, and Huawei. Read all these stories on www.thehindubusinessline.com. Click the link in the description box below.